So yeah, I mean, so culturally, it's been very much us versus them,
Yeah.
just in a competitive intelligence kind of way. So do you think that CEOs within pharmaceuticals now are recognising the fact that they do need to shift to a more 360-degree view of the world, taking into account these other disruptors, or do they recognise it but still struggle to actually go and involve themselves in one game? Well, what's the sort of the appetite like for a game when you say we've got to expand the players in the game, we've got to expand the scope of the game? Does it get a lot of traction or not?
I think there's a lot of both a big appetite, but a huge amount of anxiety, because there are no precedents for this level of change before.
Right.
Certainly when you look back at the pharmaceutical industry, there have been big changes that have disrupted the industry. So when vaccines came out and penicillin came out and imaging diagnostics arrived and now immunology, these things changed the industry, the shape of them. But they're not changes like AI and like these new very powerful competitors.
Yeah.
And so because there are no precedents, it's hard to know what the playbook is when you're faced with that level of uncertainty. So I think CEOs know they have a challenge, they have to meet their shareholder return, but they don't know how. However, they then look to tools and techniques that should serve them well in dealing with this uncertainty. And I think therefore there is an appetite for gaming. Because, to your point, Chris, I think we're seeing a little bit more of different types of stakeholder involved in understanding the future. So in the old days, if I can call it that, where it was red team, blue team, where you were trying to beat a competitor, it would be unusual to have in the room the competitor. You may have people role-playing the competitor. But now I think you see various stakeholders actually taking part in these games because they all have a vested interest in better understanding the future. So you see regulators, you see lead bodies of patient organisations being inside rooms in order that they can help be part of the solution in better understanding what the future might be and their role in it. So that's a change.